Bill number 113 of 2020, the Farmers' Produce Trade and Commerce Promotion and Facilitation Bill 2020, a bill to provide for the creation of an ecosystem where the farmers and traders enjoy the freedom of choice relating to sale and purchase of farmers' produce, which facilitates remunerative prices through competitive alternative trading channels to promote efficient, transparent and barrier-free interstate and intrastate trade and commerce of farmers' produce outside the physical premises of markets or deemed markets notified under various state agricultural produce market legislations, to provide a facilitative framework for electronic trading and for matters connected therewith or incidental thereto. Chapter 2, Promotion and Facilitation of Trade and Commerce of Farmers' Produce 3. Subject to the provisions of this Act, any farmer or trader or electronic trading and transaction platform shall have the freedom to carry on the interstate or intrastate trade and commerce in farmers' produce in a trade area. 4. 1. Any trader may engage in the interstate trade or intrastate trade of scheduled farmers' produce with a farmer or another trader in a trade area, provided that no trader, except the farmer-producer organizations or agricultural cooperative society, shall trade in any scheduled farmers' produce unless such a trader has a permanent account number allotted under the Income Tax Act, 1961, or such other document as may be notified by the central government. 2. The central government may, if it is of the opinion that it is necessary and expedient in the public interest so to do, prescribe a system for electronic registration for a trader, modalities of trade transaction and mode of payment of the scheduled farmers' produce in a trade area. 3. Every trader who transacts with farmers shall make payment for the traded scheduled farmers' produce on the same day or within the maximum 3 working days if procedurally so required, subject to the condition that the receipt of delivery mentioning the due payment amount shall be given to the farmer on the same day, provided that the central government may prescribe a different procedure of payment by farmer produce organization or agriculture cooperative society, by whatever name called, linked with a receipt of payment from the buyers. 5. 1. Any person other than individual, having a permanent account number allotted under the Income Tax Act, 1961, or such other document as may be notified by the central government or any farmer-producer organization or agricultural cooperative society, may establish and operate an electronic trading and transaction platform for facilitating inter-state or intrastate trade and commerce of scheduled farmers' produce in a trade area, provided that the person establishing and operating an electronic trading and transaction platform shall prepare and implement the guidelines for fair trade practices such as mode of trading, fees, technical parameters including interoperability with other platforms, logistics arrangements, quality assessment, timely payment, dissemination of guidelines in local language of the place of operation of the platform, and such other matters. 2. If the central government is of the opinion that it is necessary and expedient in public interest so to do, it may, for electronic trading platforms, by rules, a. specify the procedure, norms, manner of registration, and b. specify the code of conduct, technical parameters including interoperability with other platform and modalities of trade transaction including logistics arrangements and quality assessment of scheduled farmers' produce and mode of payment for facilitating fair interstate and intrastate trade and commerce of scheduled farmers' produce in a trade area. 6. No market fee or cess or levy, by whatever name called, under any state APMC Act or any other state law, shall be levied on any farmer or trader or electronic trading and transaction platform for trade and commerce in scheduled farmers' produce in a trade area. 7. 1. The central government may, through any central government organization, develop a price information and market intelligence system for farmers' produce and a framework for dissemination of information relating thereto. 2. The central government may require any person owning and operating an electronic trading and transaction platform to provide information regarding such transactions as may be prescribed. Explanation: for the purposes of this section, the expression central government organization includes any subordinate or attached office, government-owned or promoted company or society,